Alright, let's get this digital HD streaming rearview mirror kit installed. Here's everything that comes in the box. The mirror itself, the power harness, the mounting bracket, rear camera, extension cable, and the front cam. Everything you need is right here. First, pop off the factory rearview mirror cover, unplug the connector, and carefully twist the original mirror off. Pull out the metal plate inside the OEM bracket. Grab the new bracket, move that metal plate over, and tighten it down. Now take the streaming mirror and mount the new bracket onto it. You'll need to run all 3 cables through the slot on the bracket. For the rear cam cable, unplug the connector first. Feed it through, then plug it back in. Open the mirror's top cover and route the 3 cables under it. Then continue feeding them into the windshield trim. Snap the cover back in place. Line up the new mirror, twist it on. And reinstall the trim cover. Next, grab the front camera. Plug it into the mirror harness. Hide the extra wiring. Adjust the bracket length if needed. Peel the adhesive and stick it onto the windshield. Now for the power and rear extension cables. Don't bend or kink that rear extension cable. Pull back the passenger side door seal and trim panel. Run both cables above the airbag. And connect them to the mirror harness. Tuck the extra wiring inside the windshield pillar and put the trim back. Run the power cable forward along the door seal. The rear extension cable goes toward the back of the car. Remove the passenger door seal and the triangle panel. Pop out the clip, already removed here. Open the door sill trim. Then route the power cable down to the footwell. Reconnect the factory plug. Then connect both ends of the power harness inline. The mirror should power on at this point. Hide the extra wiring and reinstall all the trim pieces. Now keep feeding the rear extension cable along the door seals toward the back. Reinstall each seal as you go. Remove the rear door seal. Route the cable through the B-pillar. And continue toward the rear of the car. Use a wire puller to get the cable into the hatch. Unplug the connector on the extension cable so it fits. Tape it to the wire puller and pull it through to the hatch area. Reinstall the seals then send the wire up toward the top of the hatch and pull it out. Remove the U-shaped trim panel on the tailgate and the clips on each side. Then take off the hatch trim and unplug the connector. Feed the rear extension cable inside the hatch. Disconnect it from the puller and reconnect its plug. Run it along the factory harness path and reinstall the rubber grommet. Now swap out the factory rear camera. Remove the two screws. Take the OEM camera out, install the new one, and tighten the screws. Push the wiring harness upward a bit. Use the puller again and route the camera cable outside the hatch. Unplug the camera cable. Attach it to the puller. Feed it back inside and reconnect it. Once the new rear camera is in place, connect the extension cable to the camera harness, hide the wiring, and reinstall all the hatch trim. Clips and the U-shaped panel. And that's it. Your digital HD streaming rearview mirror is fully installed and ready to use.